Mastering English. Homonyms Uncovered. Hello language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to delve deeper into the fascinating world of English language. Our main focus will be on expanding our vocabulary by exploring homonyms. For those who are new to this term, homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation, but different meanings. This might seem tricky, but don't worry, we've got this covered. Before we start building our vocabulary with homonyms, let's take a quick moment to ensure we fully understand what they are. Homonyms can be quite tricky. They're like linguistic chameleons, appearing identical, but revealing different meanings based on context. Consider the word bat. It could refer to the tool used in sports or to the nocturnal flying mammal. Two completely different meanings, but the same spelling and pronunciation. That's the beauty of homonyms. Now, let's move to the exciting part: discovering and learning new homonyms to enrich our English vocabulary. We've curated a list of common homonyms that you'll encounter frequently in day-to-day conversations and readings. 1. Bark, the sound a dog makes and the outer covering of a tree. 2. Date, a romantic meeting and a sweet fruit. 3. Jug, to put someone in prison in a container for liquids. Now that we've explored some homonyms, let's put them to use in sentences. It's important to remember the context, as it's what determines the meaning of a homonym in a sentence. 1. Bark. 2. The dog's bark was so loud, it woke me up. 3. The bark of this tree is quite rough. 4. Date. 5. I have a date with Peter tonight. 6. I enjoy eating a date with my coffee. 7. Jug. 8. They threatened to jug him if he didn't cooperate. 9. Could you please fill the jug with water? The best way to remember these homonyms is to practice them. Try writing sentences using these homonyms or even create a short story. Challenge yourself and enjoy the process. That's all for today's homonym exploration, folks. Hopefully, this video helps you better understand and use homonyms in English, and encourages you to keep discovering the numerous other homonyms in the English language. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, every word is a new adventure.